Hello, good morning everyone. A warm welcome to my vlog. Guys, welcome back to my channel, The Crazy Snips. So today I'm at Bird Park, which is located in Veeri in Jaipur. And it has a free entry. Timings are from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you can come here and enjoy the nature. After a while, I'll show you cafe also. So stay tuned. We have entered Cafe Nest. How beautiful it is. This is a different part. This is a basically part of Cafe Nest only. This is a different side. Girls behind the shoot. So यहाँ मेरी mom and इनके friends का discussion चल रहा है where to perform, when not to perform, how to perform. So we have chosen the spot. They are looking so excited and chitty chats going on. So just wait and watch and let me show you their BDS, behind the scenes practices. Do comment down below how their moves are. To be honest, I have become fan of them. They are dancing so well. So guys, final shoot आप मेरे shorts पे जाके देख सकते हो. After watching their dance, कुछ मज़े तो बनते हैं. So I am just standing on this rock and watching the view. Let me show you panoramic view. Sitting and taking some natural vitamin D. अब हम कैफ़े के अंदर आ चुके हैं for hogging on after shoot. Let me show you some pretty corners of this cafe. Now let's have some falafel samosas and Caesar salad too. Just look at these trees and how beautifully they have developed this area. Oh wow, just look at him. Wow. Oh, he's running away. I think he's scared. Oh, he's calming down. So that was all for today between the nature. Hope you are liking and enjoying my vlogs. Please like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!